Good evening, learners. My name is Janice Thomas Fisher, and as you see, I am a creative educator, and I'm becoming more creative with every class that I take in this program. Here's a little bit about myself. I am a God-loving wife and mother of two sweet girls. I find my solace in the hallways of my school and each and every inch of my classroom. Education is not a hobby but a gift that I am so thankful for. I am excited about this journey, and I'm sure that God will get the glory out of every step I take, lesson taught, and instruction designed. So let's take a look at my portfolio. Here is my work for LTDE 5302. So this is the Foundations of Learning in Technology and Design. First, I would like to share or show you some of my artifacts from this semester's class. This is my TEASE video, and here it is about letter knowledge. And I love these because it gives the student a preview of upcoming lessons through the use of these videos, and it grasps the attention of the children, and it brings in that inquiry and that dialogue as they look at these amazing and cool videos. As you can see, I teach pre-K, so my videos have to be vibrant, great music, have to be short, minimal text, straight to the point. Here is my unit of design, and you'll have the opportunity to click on that and it will take you to the actual document. But in this 9-week unit, the students will develop and sustain foundational early literacy skills and demonstrate by identifying and matching letters and the common sounds they represent. With acquired letter and sound knowledge, the student will be able to demonstrate emergent decoding skills. So that's me starting with why. Why because I want them prepared for reading. I want them to embrace reading and not have a fear for it. So this is my unit of design. Here is another video. And this was my digital tool video, and I introduced my classmates to Bring Prop Junior. It is an amazing digital tool designed to be used with grades pre-K through 3rd. This platform produces animated curriculum-based content for a variety of subjects. The site features lesson plan, free lesson plans, videos, games, professional development resources, jokes, all things to keep the learners engaged, and it is accessible at home and at school and on many devices. So you can click on this YouTube video, and I hope that you would enjoy. Here is our collaborative tool presentation, and this is done with the colleagues in our class in a group, and we were able to design a presentation regarding an innovative digital tool for learning. We researched Visme as it was a new tool, tech tool for all of us. In our presentation, we highlighted the benefits and the ways to apply Visme in the learning environment. It helps you to be interactive. It shows ways to create infographics and other materials that you could use in your classroom to support learning, and that is the presentation you can click on and you can see it there. This has been an amazing experience, and I can't wait to see the things that we all will learn and do in the future. Thanks.